Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure both apps are updated and you're logged into the accounts on the same phone. Open TikTok first. This reduces verification prompts. Once done, go to your profile and tap the three dots or hamburger menu to access settings. Make sure Instagram login works in the Instagram app. That prevents repeated reauthentication while linking. If you use a business or creator account, prepare any Facebook page details, because the platforms sometimes route through Facebook for cross-posting. Now you perform the link inside TikTok. From settings, choose Share Profile or Connected Apps and tap Instagram. When the Instagram login sheet appears, authorize the exact account you want linked, double-check the username. Grant permissions so TikTok can share content or profile links. This enables the camera roll share and profile button. If the app routes you to Facebook, make sure you manage that Facebook page. Otherwise, cancel and sign into Instagram directly to avoid linking the wrong business asset. Finish by testing. Create a short TikTok and use Share to Instagram. Check that the post appears or that the profile button links correctly. If it fails, log out of both apps and log back in, clear cache, or reinstall the app. This often resolves token or permission errors. Make sure the Instagram account type is compatible. Toggling between personal and creator/business can refresh permissions. Finally, if you still see issues, revoke access and reauthorize. That forces a clean permission set and usually fixes lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.